to the homework helper for 9.2, the deuce. All right, problems 1 through 4, we're going to select the best answer for the given data, and then we got to choose how confident we are that we're correct. So here's our data, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. What do we think the next number will be? It's certainly going to be larger than 32. It's certainly going to be positive, because it looks like it's going that far. I think it's going to be exactly 64. Yeah, I think it's all of these are true. Because look at what's going on. Like, it's doubling each time, right? Double, 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 double. So I know it's going to be 64. I am certain I am correct. If it wasn't 64, I would say that you were wrong. And what about the data makes me mark the answer that I did? The pattern is clear and consistent. And I can't imagine another pattern. But then let's look at this bad boy. What's going on here? So we got 47, negative 13, negative 8, 9, negative 23, 14? What? I don't know if it's going to be positive or negative. Because look, it goes positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, positive. So I have 3 negatives, 3 positives. I don't really see the pattern. Like I'm subtracting, I'm adding, I'm subtracting, I'm adding. Maybe I'm adding again. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what it's going to be. I am not very. Could be either. I'm pretty sure it's going to be less than 100 because there's no numbers greater than 100. But less than negative 100, I'm not sure. I'm certain of this, I think, but I have no idea for the rest. And why is this true? I can't really see the pattern. I can't see a pattern. Not sure if positive or negative. Like, it's all kind of confusing, so I don't know what to do. So that's what we do for this one. And it's that metacognition. It's that thinking about what you're thinking about. What kind of evidence do you need to figure this out? Let's turn the page. Whoops, it's not on that page. Let's turn the page to what we're actually working on. Which I don't know what I did with it. Where is page 9? There it is. All right. Page 9. For this one, we're going back to some of the stuff we did yesterday. So we got a 10-point quiz in 9th grade math class. Here's the scores. Use all the quiz to create a frequency table. So for 0s to 1s, so I'm just kind of scanning for my 0s and my 1s. So I got 2. For 2s to 3s, I'm just scanning for 2s and 3s. 2s and 3s. I don't see any 2s or 3s. 4s and 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. Okay. And so doing that, we build our frequency table, and then it's going to ask us, of course, to build a histogram off of our frequency table. So for 0 to 1, so this would be 1 here. So in this range, I have 2, so it looked like this. From 2 to, oh, whoops, I'm supposed to do it like this, my bad, all the way to 2. So that's 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, this is 2 to 3, I have nothing. From 4 to 5, which is this right here, I have 17, which is all the way up here, like that. Boop, beep, bop. And so you do that for the other numbers that I didn't do for you. All right. Finally, go. Percentages. What percent of 97 is 11? Okay. So what percent of 97 is 11? So this is part over whole. The part is 11. The value is 97. I'm going to guess it's going to be close to 10. It's going to guess pretty close to 10, but let's find out. 11 divided by 97. Ooh, it is 11. Oh my gosh. 11%. All right. That's close. What percent of 88 is 132? So the part is 132. The whole is 88. Percent of 88 is our clue that this is the whole. So it's going to be over 100%, maybe 150%. 132 divided by 88. Yep, 150%. Right on the nose. 150%. So you can see what I'm doing is I'm trying to guess. I'm trying to anticipate what it is. I recommend that you do that whenever you do these sorts of percentage problems. Percentage is kind of the thing that you'll do a lot of in life, trying to guess percentages on certain things. So being able to just kind of eyeball it is really powerful. And that's it. You guys have a lovely, 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 lovely day.